was heaven on earth, where Flint River washes that red Georgia dirt. The sunset slow and the stars shine bright. We raised cotton and corn, little gang of kids. You either lived on a farm or wished you did. Jesus always walked close by our side. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. There's a lot about life, but we learned on the bus. How to lie, how to fight, how to kiss, how to cuss. The closer we sat to the back, the smarter we got. We were poor, we were rough, and we were all best friends. Wide-eyed, baptized, and still wanting to sin. Thank God we get more than just one shot. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. That's us, hauling hay in the field with the radio on. That's us, heading straight into town when the work was done. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Buck Island Road. It wasn't that long ago. We thought tobacco and beer and a can was all it would take to be like our old man. Then I saw how it made my mama cry. It was hunting and fishing and football games, and then it was girls, and everything changed. Falling in and out of love, we rode in trucks. That's us, with our tailgates down in the parking lot. That's us, with mud on our tires when it rained a lot. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Buck Island Road. It wasn't that long ago. It's a part of my soul, yeah. Down where I was born was heaven on earth, where Flint River washes that red Georgia dirt. The sunset's slow and the stars shine bright. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. Yeah, I see us. Thank you.